the heck did I just do with my mouth? What's wrong with me? Hey guys, it's lilykatefreddy. Today I will be doing the Google Picks My Makeup Challenge. This is started by Nikki Tutorials. I watched her video today and I just was obsessed immediately, loved it. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. Be sure to subscribe to my channel down below and like this video. If you're new here, I'm lilykatefreddy. You can follow me on Instagram and Twitter. All my social medias are lilykatefreddy, Snapchat too. And yeah, let's just get into the video. So what Nikki did was she Googled her first letter of her first name and the first letter of her last name and then typed in looks. And I tried to do that and all I got was LF lookbooks. So I decided to Google LKF and this is what I got. And yeah, I just thought it was super inspiring. I'm going to pull it up on my phone really quick. I just love the way it looked. It's Lan Kwa Fong. That's what I got on mine. But it's super pretty. It's super inspiring. I love the golds and the reds and the blacks. I'm not really sure what it actually is, but I just know I'm really inspired. So yeah, let's just get started. I'm going to be starting with my base. I've been using a different foundation, so I'm going to be using that in today's video. I've been loving the Baby Skin Primer by Maybelline. You guys know I use this a lot on my channel. It's very affordable, and also, I'm an oily girl, but you know what? I need to stay moisturized. And I already moisturized before this. I used my Pond's, which I'm like obsessed with. But yeah, I got the new LA Girl Pro Matte High Definition Longwear Foundation, and I have it in the shade Ivory. I'm obsessed with it thus far. I really like it. Especially lately, I've really been doing this, is I like to focus it more on the perimeter of my face and then blend it more towards the center because I find that I have less breakdown of the foundation on my nose if I do this because it breaks down really badly on my nose always. And even sometimes on my chin, but like it helps if I am moving the product more instead of just putting more product on. I'm going into my Eco Tools sponge. I love this. This is my favorite one. I like it better than the Beauty Blender. And I'm just going to be blending that out. Next, I'll be taking my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade number 5. And I just recently got this. Did not know that they came this light. I believe this is a new shade. Or at least it's a new shade to my local drugstore. So I have been obsessed with this. It is not my skin color, thank goodness. I like to use it to brighten because before I didn't have a concealer at the drugstore that was light enough to brighten my face. Now that that's done, I will be going in with the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in shade number 5. Again, fair, same as the concealer. And then I'm taking this fluffier brush and going back into a little bit more powder and really just kind of patting it in and dusting it off at the same time. I will be going into the Morphe 9C palette and I will be using this bottom middle shade right here to do a light contour. Next I will be going into my Physicians Formula. Next I will be going into my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Because in the picture it has a lot of really orangey reds, I'm going to be taking this more orangey red blush from Tarte in the shade Feisty. Next we will be doing brows. I've really been into the Anastasia Brow Wiz in chocolate. I have never used these before. I'm not usually super big on a brow pencil just because I find it doesn't always get the color I like on my brows. But yeah, I've actually been really loving this. Yeah, I'm not 100% sure if I'm in love with this as my brows. Next I will be going into the Morphe 35F palette. Next I will be going into the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. Don't age and rubbing it out. I will be again taking my Maybelline loose powder and just packing that on the lid to set the primer. So we have a clean base for some shadows. Next, I will be taking the Morphe 35F palette. The picture I thought really had a lot of awesome dark browns, bronzes, golds, blacks, so I'm really going to be playing on that. So I'm taking this shade right here as a transition, a fluffy brush, and really just dusting that into the crease and blending it out. I'm going to be going in with this color right here on a smaller brush and focusing that more on the outer corner and the outer V. And then taking this Morphe Y15 brush and really just blending out those edges. And then going into this black in the corner here, making sure to really dust that off. And just going into this side right here and bringing it a little bit more towards the center of the lid. Now that we're done with that, we will be going into the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer again, onto a little Wet n Wild flat brush and just taking a bit of that concealer, cutting the crease for us to be able to lay down a glitter. I'm going to be going in and blending that out more with my finger. That's usually how I like to cut my crease, so it's just blended better. And then I will be laying down this shade right here, this gold. I will be spraying my brush first. I'm picking up some of that gold. And then on this outer edge right here where the black is meeting the gold, this little section right here, I'm going to be putting in this maroonish gold, just a little bit. And then going back with this fluffier brush into the dark brown shade, blending out the edge in the front here where this gold is. And then taking the black and again blending right here. I'll be doing this part of the cut crease off camera for a second, so I'll be right back. Are both blended out nicely. I will be doing the lower lash line. Be taking this flat small brush and going into this shade right here above the gold that we are using. It's a bit cooler tone, a bit more of a cooler toned gold. Next, I will be going in with the NYX Matte Liquid Liner, and this is in black. Those are my wings. Next are lashes, and I will be right back. Ooh la la! Oh, 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 oh. Pretty lashes. Next, I'll be going into this CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume Mascara. It's just a little guy, but I like it. Next is highlight, and I'll be going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. This is the That Glow Kit, and my Morphe M510. Taking this shade Sunburst. It's really yellow. I think it would be good with the picture. Oh, I see. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I will be using the Morphe lip liner in High Maintenance. And then I'm going to go into the Morphe lip color in Bonnie. Yeah, let me know what you think. Let me know how you think I did. I think I did a good job. I really love how this look turned out. This is totally something I would wear. I was super inspired by the picture I got, and this was such a fun challenge. It was so fun to be creative with it. And yeah, I should do something like this again because I had an awesome time filming this. If you guys aren't already, subscribe to my channel. How many times do I have to say it? Oh god, I need to quit dabbing. It's like not okay. But yeah, so leave comments down below of what you think I should do for my next video, and I will see you all later. Bye.